In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome card trick which is very easy. There is a bonus at the end waiting for you, so stay tuned. So alright, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I have a prediction kept right here which will be revealed at the end of the performance. So stay tuned. So first of all, I want to show you that all the cards in this deck are well and truly mixed and that the cards are all different. So you can see that all the cards in this deck are mixed and all the cards are well and truly different. So if you think I remembered some of the cards, I just go ahead and shuffle this deck. Now since shuffling doesn't mix up the cards very nicely, I just go ahead and give this deck a few cards. So now this deck is well and truly mixed. So I would want you to now go ahead and pick any card that you want, but we'll just do it in an easy manner. So I'll just riffle like this and you have to tell me to stop anywhere you want, anytime you want. I'll just stop right there. So just tell me to stop anywhere you want. So right about here? Okay. So we'll just stop right about here and I want you to go ahead and take this card. So we just now look at what your card is. The card that you chose was the Ace of Spades. The card that you chose was the Ace of Spades, and the card that I predicted was none other than the Ace of Spades. This card trick is very easy to do, very easy. So if you like this card trick and you want to impress someone with this trick, go ahead and press the subscribe button. And now for the tutorial. So basically this trick revolves around a principle called forcing. So what we do in forcing is that we force a card to a spectator, but he does not know that we have forced a card to him. So first of all, this is a little bit of setup that you want to do, but you do it with a normal deck of cards, so everybody can do it. First of all, you must have this card or any other card, but you must have a full deck. So you select any card that you like. I have selected the Ace of Spades, and then you want to keep this card on the top of the deck like this. Next, you want to write down on a piece of paper what you have forced, or the top card. Like in this case, it is the Ace of Spades. So I have written down the Ace of Spades on a piece of paper, which you can keep upside down and reveal after the performance. Now I have this card, the Ace of Spades, on top, and then you can do a riffle shuffle as much as you like. But in this riffle shuffle, you can see the top card, which is the Ace of Spades, always remains on the top, right? So you can do that as much as you want, and it will give the illusion that you have shuffled the deck. Next, since sometimes the spectator thinks that you know the bottom or the top card, you can do any false cut you like. I did a pretty advanced false cut in the tutorial, but I'll just give you one easy one. Just take this deck, do a swing cut, keep your pinky on the bottom, put this deck on top, and then just take this deck and keep it on the bottom as well. From the pinky big, take it and keep it on the bottom as well. What it has done, it has controlled a card, the Ace of Spades, to the top, but the spectator thinks the deck is shuffled. So you can do that. Now let's move on to the tutorial of the trick. So I used a classic force called the slip force, which is Shin Lim's favorite card force. So I'll teach you how to do the force. So basically you riffle and then you can stop anywhere you like, anywhere. But when you just pull this deck, see how the top card, this card, is staying on top because it is coming off like this. See how it is coming off like this? So that is how it comes off. And if somebody says, I want to do that again, you can just keep this deck on the bottom and your top card, the Ace of Spades, won't be spoiled. So let's just do that force again. Riffle like this, and then with these three fingers kept here, which keep the card on top like this, just spread it out and then this card will come on top like this. So this is how you do the card force, which is the Ace of Spades. It is very easy. If you want to learn some more easy card forces, you can check out my channel and probably subscribe. So I'll just give you another tutorial of another force. So basically you can even control this card to the bottom of the deck. So if you control this card to the bottom of the deck, you can do a Hindu shuffle force. So what a Hindu shuffle force is, basically you take cards from the top of the deck, but they look like you're taking and mixing the deck. And when they tell you to stop, you can just square up the deck like this and then show them to remember this card. This is basically what is called a Hindu shuffle force. If you want to learn some more forces, click on the subscribe button. So this is how you force your card, the Ace of Spades. And then you want to make a grand illusion that you have done something great. So you take the card, the Ace of Spades, you flick it like this to give the illusion of magic, and then you show this card as well, the Ace of Spades, and they will actually freak out. So if you like this trick, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Peace out.